It is time for some action. It is time for some action. Welcome back people, welcome back to a new video. And today's video we are going to test out the RX750 gaming mouse. It even got a LED spectrum, optical sensor, 2 macro keys and maximum of 2400 dpi. Sounds promising, don't you think? The RX750 gaming mouse, woven USB to 2.0 cable. Pretty damn long. It is adjustable DPI, multicolor LED light, non-adjustable. Aww, that's a bummer. 6 button and the platform is PC. Alright, what are we going to get inside the package? Nothing important. Alright. And again, it feels really light, but I really want it done with the paint job. Really nice. And indeed a very nice quality cable. Love it. Clicky's about okay. DPI button. Scrolling with rubber compound. Really love these 2 buttons because it's very convenient when you're just browsing on the internet or swapping your weapons in a shooter. And then there's the question, how does it feel? It's a big mouse. I really love these big mouses. Nice. And it's only way to test out a gaming mouse. To play a game. So stay tuned and let's play some awesome games. And then of course the question, how does the light up feature looks on this mouse? It looks really amazing. We got at the back here and left and right side we got the colors. And yeah, there is no way of adding it or choosing your color. You just, how do you say it, scroll through the colors. So, alright people, let's play some games. So yeah people, for the final conclusion about the old school Maxxter or Action gaming mouse. It's a really nice mouse. Yeah, it's made from a little bit of cheap plastic, but it works just fine. It got some basic DPI settings and yeah, for the money we cannot complain. Are you searching for a cheap ass game mouse and don't want to spend around 60 euro or $50, doesn't matter. A lot of amount of money for a mouse. Maybe this is a very fun mouse to start with. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you for more awesome videos. See you next time. You say it, man. You say it. I wanna thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more action videos.